Hello everyone, hope everybody's having a good day. This is Jim with Jim's Garage Toys, and I was just going to do a quick little video here. And sometimes little mods and quick mods can be very satisfying, and that's what I have today. So I had previously installed an armrest on my GR Corolla, and I'll show you, I'll give you a little review of what that looks like. But there was a piece that came out after I bought that I don't know if it was available. I didn't see it when I ordered it. I think it was available afterwards. And so I went ahead and ordered this piece, and I'm going to show you right now what this is. So I'm hoping that you can see this and the camera can pick it up. So this is very cool. This is a little piece of forged carbon fiber, and it's designed to fill the blank spot on the armrest. So here, I'll show you. So right here, this little tray, I mean, it's just black plastic. It's not that big of a deal, but this little piece is designed to just slip right into place, just like that. How cool is that? Very, very cool. Just slips into place and stays right there. Just a little touch. Like I said, sometimes it's the little things that can go a long way. So I love it. It was very inexpensive, and I will leave a link to it. So any questions on anything, guys, please holler. Hope you like it. And until next time, we'll see you down the road.